Ambuthi zokuthitha ngathi uyikaka. Umenzela mazimba. Lala naye, sebenzisa icondom. Umyeke ayishiye phansi. Aphuma hambi. Bese uza kimi. Somvala konke sivala inhlanhla zakhe sesikhathela amadoda thina. Sikhathela amadoda adlala ngathi. Sikhathela amadoda amosha abafazi. Sikhathela amadoda ayuza abafazi. Sikhathele umvala inhlanhla yakhe umvala imisebenzi. Wenza sure ukuthi uba yinto nje isithingithing sasestradini.
Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Silo. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. Gogo Maweni has received a lot of backlashes after she posted that video where she revealed that you can actually tagata or bewitch a man using his semen or sperm, and she claimed that you can take that semen and use it against men in putting isnyama in their lives. You guys basically bewitch them so that their lives become miserable. She has claimed that she is able to do that process, you guys. Now please share your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe if you have not yet done so. I will surely see you on my next upload. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.